I came across a tool that makes a bold claim. Imagine typing out an idea for an app in plain English, hitting a button, and getting a working app back. No coding, no developers, no servers, nothing technical. That's the promise of famous AI. They pitch it as the fastest way to go from idea to reality, but here's the thing. Promises always sound amazing until you actually use the product. Stick with me because in this review we'll break down what famous AI does well, where it falls short, and whether it's really worth your time. Let's start with what they're offering. Famous AI claims to act like your CTO in a box. You describe the app you want, web app, mobile app, even a crypto tool, and it does the rest. The system is supposed to plan the app structure like a developer would, design the interface, build the backend, and get it ready for launch. On the surface, this sounds like the dream tool for solo founders or freelancers. One prompt, one build, no headaches. And yes, it does create something real. You type in a prompt and an app actually appears, but that's only half the story. Here's where the cracks start to show. The AI is fast, but it's not always accurate. Sometimes you'll get features you never asked for, or it'll completely skip things you clearly wanted. You end up rewriting the same prompt multiple times just to make it work. And if your instructions aren't super specific, the results can feel broken or off. It's definitely not set it and forget it. There's trial and error involved, and that's before we even talk about pricing. Famous AI doesn't clearly list costs up front. You can start building, but the paywall shows up later in the process. That catches a lot of people off guard. So while the promise is appealing, the reality is more complicated. So who's this really for? If you're a developer who wants complete control over every line of code, you're going to hate this. If you think AI is going to magically build a polished app without your input, you'll be disappointed. But if you're a solo founder, freelancer, or entrepreneur who just wants to prototype fast, test ideas, or build an MVP without sinking thousands of dollars into dev teams, Famous AI could save you weeks. It's not perfect. You'll need to guide it and refine your prompts, but if you treat it as a tool, not a replacement, it can get a surprising amount done. Now here's the truth. Famous AI is interesting, but it's not beginner friendly. If you're looking for something that actually helps you start making money online without the tech barrier, I recommend checking the link in the description. It's a system that's already built for beginners, no coding required, no hidden setup. If you're serious about getting started, that's the place to begin. And as always, if you want more, no fluff breakdowns of online tools and opportunities, hit like, drop a comment, and subscribe. This is Shift Narrative, and we cut through the hype so you can focus on what works.